Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Instagram story stuck at uploading. For example, if you want to upload a story on Instagram and you click on upload and it's stuck on uploading, which means it doesn't upload, then I will tell you how you can fix that. First of all, what you have to do is you have to close the Instagram app. After closing the Instagram app, what you have to do is you have to check whether your internet connection working properly or not, which means if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you have to check whether it is connected or not, and you can turn it on and off so that it can restart it. Moreover, you can also check for your data connection if you are connected to that. After doing all the things, you can also click on flight mode, which means you have to turn on the flight mode and turn it on so that your internet connection can restart. After doing all the things, what you have to do next is you have to open your settings. In setting, you have to search for apps or application manager. You have to click on that. In apps or application manager, you have to search for Instagram. You have to click on that. After clicking on Instagram, you have to click on mobile data and you have to search whether it has allowed background data usage or not. If it is turned on off, then you have to turn it on. After that, you have to click on storage and you have to clear the cache of your Instagram app. After doing all the things, you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you can do is you have to uninstall your app from your device and install an updated version of the Instagram app from the Play Store. For this, you have to search for Instagram and you have to check whether your Instagram app is updated or not, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the updated version of the app. If you are still facing the problem, you can also mention in our video comments so that we can help you in a better way. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.